Hi friends, let's start with this revision of chapter number 5, that is called states of matter. Now in introduction, that is chapter number 1 के अंदर ही हमने पढ़ा था states of matter. Matter means the species which occupy the space has some volume, that is entitled as a matter. Matter को और आगे बढ़ाते हैं. सब डिवीजन के अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे गैस, लिक्विड एंड सॉलिड. So matter is subdivided into 3 parts, that is solid, liquid and gas, in which in this chapter we have to discuss maximum about the gaseous part. So gas have definite mass but no definite volume, no definite shape, having a compressibility and low density. Intermolecular force are strong in solid and weakest in gas. Intermolecular distance are shortest in solid, longest in gas. Intermolecular force which hold the molecule together may be London force, dispersion force, dipole-dipole force, dipole-induced dipole force, and etc. The states of matter depend upon the intermolecular force and the thermal energy. Intermolecular force binds the molecule together, however the thermal energy keep apart. So without wasting much time in this session, we'll start with this basic laws, that is gas law. Guys, this is revision session, तो हम लोग बहुत ही डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे. सारे के सारे लॉ इन डिटेल डिस्कस किए हुए सेपरेट सेशन के अंदर, बट दिस इज अ रिविजन क्लास, तो मैं आपको खाली स्टेटमेंट की ग्लिम्स दे रहा हूं. बॉयल्स लॉ क्या बता रहा है? द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ फिक्स मास ऑफ अ गैस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू दिस प्रेशर एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. अगर आपको बॉयल्स लॉ पूछते हैं तो आपको स्टेटमेंट लिखना पड़ेगा, छोटा सा डेरिवेशन, देन यू टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑल्सो, एंड ग्राफ का 2 या 3 लाइन में डिस्कशन. इतना लिखोगे देन एंड देन यू गेट 2 मार्क्स. वंस अगेन थॉरली प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा स्टेटमेंट फॉलोड बाय डेरिवेशन फॉलोड बाय ग्राफ एंड ग्राफ का डिस्कशन. हियर वी ओनली डिस्कस स्टेटमेंट एंड मैथमेटिकल लाइन, दैट इज P is proportional to 1 upon V और P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. चार्ल्स लॉ क्या बता रहा है? द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फिक्स मास ऑफ अ गैस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू दिस टेम्परेचर एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ गैस एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस by the constant fraction of this volume at 0 degree Celsius for each degree rise in the temperature. V is proportional to T, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. And third and final law, that is Gay-Lussac's law, the pressure of a fixed mass of a gas at constant volume is directly proportional to its temperature in Kelvin. So P is proportional to T, P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. After that, next law is Avogadro's law. Under the similar conditions, equal volume of this various gas contain equal number of molecules. That is Avogadro law. V is proportional to N. V is equal to K into N, where N, that is number of moles, that is given mass divided by molar mass. नेक्स्ट डाल्टन्स लॉ ऑफ पार्शियल प्रेशर. इसका पूरा डेरिवेशन पार्ट हमने पढ़ा था, अच्छे से डिस्कस किया था, तो आप सेपरेट सेशंस अवेलेबल है ये सभी के, उसके अंदर चेक कर लीजिएगा. यहाँ पे हम ओनली एंड ओनली स्टेटमेंट पढ़ रहे हैं. द प्रेशर ऑफ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ नॉन रिएक्टिंग गैस इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ देयर पार्शियल प्रेशर व्हेन एनक्लोज्ड इन द सेम वॉल्यूम अंडर द सिमिलर कंडीशंस. सो P total is nothing but P1 plus P2 plus P3. Graham's diffusion law. The rate of diffusion of the gas is inversely proportional to the square root of their density under the similar conditions. So R is proportional to 1 upon under root D. R1 by R2 is equal to under root D2 by D1 is equal to M2 by M1. Finally, जो ऊपर 3 इक्वेशन किए, that is Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro's law, उसी के ऊपर से आइडियल गैस डिफाइन होगा. That is PV is equal to nRT. Ideal gas equation का combined form equation, that is P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. 2 more questions. Short question, that is what actually means by absolute zero temperature and vapor density of the gases. So absolute zero, the hypothetical temperature at which all the gases are supposed to occupy a zero volume, its numerical value on Celsius scale is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Now vapor density of a gas, it is the ratio of the mass of the certain volume of a gas to the mass of the same volume of this hydrogen under the similar condition. मोलर मास इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू वेपर डेंसिटी. चैप्टर नंबर 1 के अंदर एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला के अंदर हमने डिस्कशन किया था. नेक्स्ट इज मॉलिक्यूलर काइनेटिक थियरी. पोस्टुलेट्स 6 to 6, ऑल द पोस्टुलेट्स आपको अच्छे से याद करके प्रिपेयर करके लिख लेने हैं. अंडर द ऑर्डिनरी कंडीशन, रियल गैसेस शोज डेविएशन फ्रॉम दिस आइडियल बिहेवियर. The real gas follows ideal gas behavior at this high temperature and very low pressure. Why? Two main postulates are deviated. Which are they? The deviations are the finite size of the gas molecule and the existence of this attractive intermolecular forces between them. Taking in the account this fact, van der Waals modified an equation, that is, instead of PV is equal to nRT, new equation derived, that is P plus N square A by V square, V minus NB is equal to nRT, where A upon V square is the pressure correction term and the B, the volume correction term, taking account of infinite volume of the gaseous species. Next is compressibility factor Z. Z is equal to PV by nRT, or Z is equal to V real divided by V ideal. और आगे बढ़ते हैं. All the gases can be liquefied by this compressing them and cooling them. Critical temperature is the temperature above which it is cannot be liquefied even at the higher pressure. The minimum pressure required to liquefy a gas at its critical temperature is known as critical pressure. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at its critical temperature under the critical pressure are known as critical volume. तीन में से एक definition definitely gonna ask: critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volume. So next, temperature, pressure and volume के ऊपर से critical constants, that is alpha, U under root 2R by M, or nu bar is equal to under root 8R by pi M, U is equal to under root 3R by M, or under root 3P by N into M. Last topic, that is physical properties of liquid state. Liquids may be considered as continuation of a gas phase into this region of the small volume and very strong molecular attractions. Some properties of liquid, as for example, that is surface tension, viscosity, are due to the strong intermolecular attractive forces. Now we'll start with a small term, that is what actually means by vapor pressure, what actually means by boiling point. The pressure exerted by the vapor of the liquid in equilibrium with this liquid at particular temperature. The vapor pressure of a liquid depends upon the temperature. It increases with rising the temperature. Boiling point, the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to this atmospheric pressure is called boiling point of this liquid. If pressure is 1 atmosphere, the boiling point is called normal boiling point of liquid. If pressure is 1 bar, the boiling point is called standard boiling point of liquid. चेक कर लीजिएगा, 180 m हो तो नॉर्मल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, 1 बार हो तो स्टैंडर्ड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. The value of standard boiling point is slightly lower than the normal boiling point. Next point, surface tension. It is defined as the force acting per unit length perpendicular to this line draw of the surface of liquid. 1 marker question, what actually means by surface tension and give its unit. 2 मार्क में पूछा जा सकता है. It is responsible for many characteristics property of liquid like curved, meniscus means each and every liquid having a spherical shape. Rise in capillary, spherical shape of liquid drops. Units kg per second raised to minus 2 or Newton bar meter. Surface tension is nothing but force divided by length. Liquid tends to minimize that surface area due to the surface tension. The energy required to increase the surface area of a liquid by 1 unit is called surface energy, and unit is joule meter raised to minus 2. Liquid tends to rise or fall in the capillary due to the surface action. The height of this capillary is given by H is equal to 2t cos theta divided by R into L into G, where T is equal to surface tension, theta is equal to contact angle, R is equal to radius of capillary, and L is equal to density of liquid. Next is viscosity. It is this internal force of friction of a liquid. It depends upon the strength of this intermolecular forces and the shape of this molecule. Unit Newton second raised to minus 2, Pascal into second, kg meter raised to minus 1, second raised to minus 1 or poised. Surface tension and viscosity both decreases with rises the temperature. बहुत ही important MCQ है. MCQ में पूछा जा सकता है if temperature increases, surface tension and viscosity both are decreases. Next is one marker question. What actually means by laminar flow? When a liquid flow over a fixed surface, the layer of molecule in the immediate contact of the surface is stationary. The velocity of upper layer is increases as the distance of layer from the fixed layer is increases. This type of flow in which there is a regular gradient of velocity in passing from one layer to the next called laminar flow. If we select many layers in the following of liquid, the layer above it accelerate its flow and the layer below retard its flow. फिगर ड्रॉ करना कंपलसरी नहीं है, आप फिगर ड्रॉप कर सकते हो when it's asked laminar flow. Small derivation, write a short note on surface tension के अंदर ये डेरिवेशन लिखना पड़ेगा. If velocity of a layer at distance dz is changed by this value du, then the velocity gradient is du by dz. A force is required to maintain the flow of layer. This force is proportional to the area of contact of the layer and the velocity gradient, that is F is proportional to A, F is proportional to du by dz, F is proportional to A into du by dz, F is equal to proportionality constant gone, that is eta A into du by dz. Eta is nothing but proportionality constant. And SI units जो अभी हमने ऊपर डिस्कस किया, factor affecting viscosity, that is viscosity is inversely proportional to the temperature, pressure is directly depending on viscosity, and hydrogen bonding, if hydrogen bonding increases, viscosity is also increases. So this is all about your chapter number 5. चैप्टर नंबर 5 के अंदर न्यूमेरिकल भी है. सो जितने भी लॉस किए उसके स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा. फ्यू डेफिनेशंस, मॉलिक्यूलर काइनेटिक थियरी. So these are the few important points of chapter number 5, states of matter. So this is all about from my side. Next session we will start with thermodynamics revision. Thank you.